Hello, and welcome to Dr. J. Francis YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss emerging trends on how USCIS under Trump has processed marriage green card cases. So far, not much has changed compared to Biden's USCIS. I'm recording this video on February 2nd, 2025, or about 2 weeks into Trump's presidency. But there are a few key updates you need to know. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Attorney J. Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer serving all 50 states. Number one, 693 medical exam report update. One of the most noticeable changes is that USCIS no longer requires COVID-19 vaccination for I-693 immigration medical exam report. However, a rule introduced under Biden's administration remains in effect. You must submit your 693 medical exam report along with your I-45 application. Otherwise, your application will be rejected by USCIS. Number two, 6-month processing time. Based on our recent approvals under Trump, USCIS is currently reviewing marriage green card cases filed in August 2024, with approvals taking around 6 months, provided no request for evidence was issued and no interview was scheduled. But does this mean marriage green card case processing under Trump is fast? Remember, back in 2024 under Biden, many cases were approved in under 3 months. We had a 17-day, 14-day, 41, 47, less than 2 months as well for our marriage green card cases. So now expect around 6 months for approval if no request for evidence is issued and no interview is required. Number three, has mandatory interview returned? So far, very few marriage-based green card cases been scheduled for interview for our cases. Very few, not many. Most cases have been approved without interview. However, this could change any time. If mandatory interviews return, this will slow down processing times a lot, especially if you happen to live California, Texas, Miami, New York, where there's a lot more applicants. It'll take longer than those living in Midwest. Number four, fast EAD, we call it work permit approvals for now. Many of our clients have received their work permit, EAD, within 30 days of filing. It means that we submitted everything. Our clients receive receipt notices or biometric notices, and when there is no issue with the criminal records, their EAD application was approved right away. But there is a catch. This is potentially game-changing new regulation coming into play, not now, but in any near future. So what is it? If you remember, on the first day of his inauguration, January 20th, Trump signed about 100 executive orders. And then one of them is titled Protecting American People Against Invasion. This executive order has multiple sections, not on one page or two pages, multiple pages. One of the provisions directs immigration agencies not to grant work authorization to individuals who are in the U.S. unlawfully. Remember that right now, without this new direction, it does not really matter whether you overstay visa or not. But under this new direction, so once again, it's not in effect yet. But the Trump told USCIS to review and implement this new change. So who's going to be affected with this new direction? Those who enter without inspection may not get work permit, right? So, and also those who enter with a visa but overstay may not get a work permit. There's others who violated immigration law, but because of the Biden's programs, they're able to get work permit. Probably not anymore. If you're in the situations that I describe based upon our understanding of this new executive order, it is critical for you to act before new policies take effect. Especially under Trump, marriage green card cases may take longer. Having valid work permit with a social is really important while waiting for adjudication of your case. Absolutely game-changing rule. I will keep you posted on this. Number 5, Laken Riley warning. President Trump signed the Laken Riley Act into law on January 29, 2025. So this is the act, passed by the Congress and President signed. And it is in effect right now. So it's not speculation, it's not a bill, it is act, regulation, affecting many people. This law mandates the Department of Homeland Security to detain, key point, detain undocumented immigrants who are charged with, arrested for, convicted of, or admitted to committing theft-related offenses. Even shoplifting is included. Or convicted of assaulting a law enforcement officer, or convicted of any crime resulting in death or serious bodily injury. Now, just be note that assaulting law enforcement officer, any crime resulting death or bodily injury requires conviction. But theft-related offenses like shoplifting, if you only have charges or just arrested, you could be detained. It's not just optional, it's automatic. It's a mandatory detention. So why do I talk about this in the context of this marriage green card case under Trump? Because if you are applying for a marriage-based green card case now and have any of these charges or convictions, you could be detained and even deported under this new law. You're not safe. If you apply with these charges or conviction, minimum is a mandatory detention, but you could be deported. Be careful. Number 6, did the 90-day rule return? Not yet. If you remember that when the Trump was the first president, during his first presidency, he introduced a 90-day wait time for those who enter with a visa or no visa to get married and apply for green card. Biden eliminated it altogether. So far as of today, there is no USCIS regulation on 90-day. Although Department of State still had and has a 90-day rule, 30-day, 60-day, 90-day rule. But under Biden's direction, USCIS told not to follow Department of State's 30, 60, 90-day rule. Now, but this could come back anytime. If reinstated, this would affect those who enter the U.S. on non-immigrant visa or ESTA and apply for green card too soon after arrival. Watch out. Number 7, what are the takeaway? I say file before major changes or additional major changes implemented. So biggest lesson so far and of this video, submit your marriage green card case application before massive changes come. They're coming. It's a matter of time. While things seem stable now, which is the truth, policies under Trump may shift overnight. If you qualify, do not wait. Stay informed. If you need help, reach out to immigration attorney to navigate these changes. Because without them, you don't know what is a current regulation, because they come very often, different formats, and many of them coming almost every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more information, immigration updates, and helpful resources. You can find me on every Thursday, 5 p.m. I do multi-stream live with a YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So one more time, every Thursday, 5 p.m. Central Time. Or you can find me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube videos. Thank you for watching. And remember, at Francis Law Center, we're here to turn uncertainty into opportunity. Stay safe. We'll see you in next video. Peace be with you.